By the end of 2025, artificial intelligence won't just be changing how we work, it will completely erase certain jobs forever. Imagine waking up one morning to find out the role you've trained for your entire life is no longer needed. The question is, could your job be next? Let's explore the careers most at risk of disappearing in the age of AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer a science fiction dream, it's our reality. By the end of 2025, AI won't just be helping us, it will be replacing us in many roles. From smartphones to hospitals and finance, AI's rapid growth is reshaping the world faster than ever. The biggest reason behind this shift is automation. Unlike humans, AI never sleeps, never takes breaks, and never complains. It can work day and night with incredible speed and accuracy, making it the perfect replacement for repetitive human labor. One of the first careers to disappear will be data entry clerks. This job has always been about typing and transferring information, but I can now handle massive amounts of data instantly. Why hire humans when AI software can do the same task in seconds without errors? Think about it. Companies processing thousands of customer forms every day no longer need teams of people. Instead, intelligent systems scan, read, and organize data automatically. By the end of 2025, the role of data entry will almost completely vanish from the job market. Another career facing extinction is telemarketing. Those scripted sales calls you often get are now being replaced by AI-powered voice systems. These bots can talk like humans, answer questions instantly, and never sound tired or frustrated. And here's the surprising part. Customers often prefer AI over real people. Why? Because AI provides quick, consistent answers without keeping anyone on hold. Businesses love it too, since it's cheaper and more reliable than hiring human telemarketers. The role of cashiers is also disappearing quickly. Just walk into a modern supermarket, and you'll see self-checkout machines everywhere. By the end of 2025, AI-powered payment systems could make human cashiers completely unnecessary. Big retail chains are already proving this future is real. Amazon's cashier-less stores allow customers to walk in, grab items, and leave with payments happening automatically. If more companies follow this model, millions of cashier jobs worldwide could be lost. Inside factories, routine production workers are being replaced by AI-driven robots. These machines can assemble, package, and even inspect products with flawless precision. What once required hundreds of human workers now takes just a few robotic arms. For corporations, the choice is simple. Robots don't need salaries, healthcare, or vacation time. They don't make mistakes, and they never stop. By replacing humans with machines, companies save millions, and that makes factory automation unstoppable. Even basic content writers are at risk in this new age. AI tools can now write articles, blogs, advertisements, and even books in seconds. For businesses that need cheap, fast content, AI is already replacing human writers. The problem is simple. Most companies just want lots of text for websites and marketing. If AI can generate hundreds of pieces instantly, why pay people? By the end of 2025, only writers who offer creativity, strategy, or emotional storytelling will survive. Another profession on the edge is travel agents. In the past, people needed agents to plan trips, book flights, and reserve hotels. Now, AI-powered apps can compare thousands of options instantly and build customized travel plans in seconds. Even bank tellers are under threat. A TMS and mobile banking apps already handle deposits, transfers, and withdrawals. With AI-driven chatbots giving financial advice, the need for human tellers at banks is shrinking rapidly. A surprising job that may fade away is fast food workers. Restaurants are introducing AI kiosks where customers order and pay without human interaction. Some kitchens are even testing robotic chefs that cook and assemble meals automatically. Another vulnerable career is paralegals and legal assistants. Traditionally, they sifted through massive legal documents, but AI can now scan, summarize, and identify important information much faster. This threatens one of the law industry's most common roles. But here's some hope. Not every job will disappear. AI is removing repetitive roles, but it's also creating new ones. Fields like AI development, system training, and ethics management are opening doors to opportunities we've never seen before. And let's not forget the human advantage. Artificial intelligence may be powerful, but it still lacks empathy, imagination, and emotional intelligence. Jobs that demand leadership, creativity, and genuine human connection remain safe, at least for now. By the end of 2025, millions of jobs may vanish forever, but that doesn't mean disaster. Those who adapt, reskill, and learn to work with AI will thrive. The real question is not, will AI take my job, but am I ready to evolve for the future?